I'm Girish sir, and I'm going to deal with active passive voice, simple past tense, negative sentence. In last videos, we have seen simple present tense, negative sentence. Here we are going to deal with simple past tense, negative sentence. So what is simple past tense and what is the formation of simple past tense? What is simple past tense? So action which is done right in past is called simple past tense, right? So here we have the formation of simple past tense. Active voice. First we have subject, then we have did not, then verb first form and object and phrases. If you remember guys, in simple present tense we have the formation like subject, do not, does not, verb first form and object. Here we are dealing with simple past tense. So in place of do not and does not, we have to add did not, because we are dealing with simple past tense negative sentences. Okay, when we change active to passive, what we have to do? We have to take object first according to object, as it is past tense, so we have to put was and were. If it is single noun, we have to add was. If it is plural noun, we have to put were, and not will remain same. Verb first form over here will be changed into passive verb third form. Remember one thing, in a passive voice always verb third form will be there. So object, was, were, not, verb third form. As per rule, we have to add preposition by, and subject will go back and phrase will remain same. I am going to give one example over here. I did not call my friends for the party. I did not call my friends for the party. So I over here subject, did not call verb first form, my friends object. So here we have subject, verb, object. Just simply follow the rules. If you learn the formation of any sentence, you are able to change any topic of any grammar. Now, so what we have to do? We have to take object first. So object is what? My friends. For example, my friends. Now, according to object, you have to put was and were. Was for singular and were for plural. So my friends are there. See, friends. So what we have to do? Were. As it is negative sentence, because sentence is given did not. So over here we have to put not. So my friends were not. Then verb third form. Call into called. My friends were not called. We have to put preposition by subject. What is subject? I. So I will be into in passive me. For the party. For the party. This is what we have done. Simple past tense negative sentence in active passive voice. One more thing we are going to learn today. Simple future tense negative sentence. So in simple future negative sentence, so we have to learn about the formation of active voice. What is simple future negative sentence? So we have subject, will, shall, not, verb first form, object and phrases. If you remember friends, simple future tense affirmative sentence. What will be the formation of affirmative sentence? Subject, will, shall, verb first form and object. So here we are dealing with negative sentence. So just simply we have to add not. When we are changing active to passive, same formation. We have to take object first. According to object, we have to add will and shall. That also I have taught you in my previous videos, where we have to put will and shall. So according to object, we have to add will or shall. Then not will remain same. Before putting, we are verb third form, we have to add be. Why be? Because changing future passive, we have to add be. Now, verb first form will be into verb third form, then put preposition by and subject will go back and phrase will remain same. Here I have given you two examples of simple future tense. First example we are going to deal with. We shall not remember. We shall not remember her name. Sorry, I have given over here her name. We shall not remember her name. So, we is subject, shall not remember is verb first form, and her name is object. So, what is the formation? What we need to do? We have to take object first. So, her name. After putting object, we have to add will or shall. As her name is single noun, so we have to add will. As it is negative sentence, so not will be here. Then what we have to do? We have to put be. Why be? Because the sentence is related to simple future tense. So be will be there, and verb first form will be into verb third form. So remember will be into verb third form. Remembered. Then put preposition by and subject we into us. This is we have done active to passive. We have one more example over here which is given in active voice. They will not forgive me here. So what is subject over here? They will not forgive verb. Me here object. So it is a rule of active passive voice. I into me, we into us, they into them, he into him, she into her, right? That is the formation of active to passive. But suppose if I into me and me is given as an object, so if you take me as a subject, so me will be into I. So over here, me will be into I. According to object, we have to put will and shall. So with I, we always put shall. I shall. Then object here, we'll have shall over here. Then sentence given in negative, so we have to put negative. Not, I shall not. Then for making passive voice, we have to add be. So I shall not be. What is verb over here? Forgive. What is the past participle of forgive? So forgiven. Then put preposition by and the subject. They into them. Here into here. So here we have learned about simple present negative sentence, simple past tense negative sentence, and simple future negative sentence. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, share amongst your friends in your group. By that, they will learn the grammar, right? Reciting or remaining it home. Thank you for watching. Bye.